piano pastor. So today I will show you guys how to use Arpeggio on the keyboard. So most of the time, the way we used to use Arpeggio is maybe when the song is about to start or when the song is about to finish. So let me show you some. Now I'm playing on C sharp. Now what are the notes that I use to do my arpeggio? For example, now let me call out the notes for you. So I'm playing on C sharp. So C sharp, E flat, F sharp, G sharp, B flat, C to C sharp. Now you can use your chord to do arpeggio. That is C sharp, F, A flat. That is your triad. That is chord. That is 1, 3, 5. You can use this to form your arpeggio. Let me show you how to use it. Now let me show you how I did it. So I start with you can start from anywhere. So I started from F. Then I play G sharp. Then I play C sharp. Again, I repeat it again. I play F. I play A sharp. A flat, C sharp, like that. So you see. Now you can descend it also. So you can start from anywhere also. You can start from G sharp. You can start from F or C sharp. So when I descend it, I can start from anywhere. So you too can try it. So let me show you another way you can use it. Let me play Amazing Grace for you. You see, when I went to G sharp, I do the same thing again. So what I did is that I played G sharp, C, E flat. You can repeat it anywhere if you like. Say get. Say get it. Another thing you can do is that you can use this for your runs also, for your arpeggio runs. You can play C sharp, F sharp, and G sharp. So get. Ascend it or descend it also. So I'm just using only 4 notes. C sharp, F sharp, G sharp. I hope this will help you guys. So I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video I'll be uploading. Make sure you share it to your friend and like it. You are great.